So I ended up taking out one of the second to front body bushing on this Avalanche. And that's what's left of it. I gotta pull out the sleeve and hopefully it'll work, because this one I think is too short. So hopefully the sleeve in there works, or at least gives me a better understanding of what used to happen, because as you can see, this is the only thing that was left. I think it was more like this. One of the only things that was left of what was up there. So I have that. Seems to be about the same size as it needs to be. So I'm going to use that to set up something about like that in order for me to get the bushings to be in there properly. But let's see what we have left underneath there, because there is that sleeve that needs to get yanked out of there. And hopefully my fucked up phone, this phone I got here, crashed at 120. It lasted, even the alarm went off, but it's cracked up and water's gonna get in there. Alright, let's see. So that's what we have. That's what's left. Looks to be not in bad shape. I don't have to rebuild this mount, which is nice. And that bushing might just look on the outside, because that other one was all fucked. So let's see. Yep, I'm gonna have to separate that.